Good morning. Okay, so what I'm doing is unboxing a shipment of inventory that I received from my shoe manufacturer, Pleaser USA, or my shoe vendor. This is where I get my shoes from. I've already looked inside. I said, oh, maybe this is something I should record. Okay, so show you the pretty packaging. First box is Chic 35, size 10. I've shown these before. Size 10 is available. Let's see what else we have. Look at this pretty box, Pen Couture. This is Smitten 20. This is for a customer. I got this in 2 sizes because sometimes Pleaser shoes do run small, so that way they can try on and see which size fits them best. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Look at this pretty package. Look at this pretty box. Pretty box. Oh, look at that wrapping paper. And you have shoe storage bag here. How pretty is that? Pen Couture. And let's see what the shoes look like. Wow, that wrapping paper. That's so pretty. Look at the lipsticks and the lips. Okay. But these are new, so I want to make sure I keep it looking new. I'm trying to unwrap to see what it looks like. Okay. So this is the shoe. And what a cute little shoe it is. Smitten 20. Let me know if that's a shoe you'd be interested in. I can get that for you. Let me wrap this back up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that wrapped back up. So we have that in size 9 and size 10. Okay, let's see what else we have. I have not gone through all the boxes, so I can't even remember what I ordered. I know I had a couple of orders for customers. And let's see. Oh, Lumina 36. This is the blue Satin. Let's see what that looks like. Again, shoe protector. Let me bend down here. Starting to hurt. Okay. Alright, so we have the Lumina 36. Oh, look how pretty that is. Getting me excited. I might be posting in a video, which way I will, of wearing this shoe. Okay. So let me know if this is a shoe you'd be interested in. Leave it in the comments, and I can get that for you. Lumina 36 blue satin. Looks like a shoe someone has worn. Sure it does. I don't like that. I mean, I know people return items, but if you're selling it as new, it should be looking new. All right, I'm going to wrap this back up. I'll be back. Okay, so I've packaged that back in the box. Let's see what else we have. More Pen Couture. Let's see, this is, what is this? Okay. cute. A cute little Mary Jane shoe. Let's see. It's cream patent leather. Cream patent leather. Also, I will be modeling this shoe as well. Look at that. Look at that. Cute little shoe. Look at that inside. It's beautiful. All right. If you're interested in this shoe, let me know. Leave a comment. I will be wearing these and putting a video up. And excuse me while I put this back in the box. Okay, so it's back in the box. Another thing I want to say, you see how Pleaser Shoes has this little carrying bag, this little travel bag that you can put your shoes in, keep them protected. One of the things I love about Pleaser. And this nice little storage bag. And don't you just hate to throw the box away? Look how nice these boxes are. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, so we have Destiny 6. Oh, okay. Let's see. Looks like, oh no, I did get the glitter. Oh, I don't like glitter. I got the glitter shoe. How did I get the glitter shoe? Oh, I don't like glitter. I don't like glitter. Okay, let's take this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so open this up. Glitter gets everywhere. Okay, so they've included some rhinestones, some extra rhinestones. I hate glitter. Oh, look at this shoe. Look at this shoe. Look at this shoe. Oh, look at that. So, I'll show it to you through the plastic. I'll take it out once I put it on. So I'll be making a video with this shoe. I don't want to get glitter or minimize the glitter, so I will wait until I'm going to wear this shoe. But how nice is that? How pretty is that? If you're interested, leave me a comment, or you can send me a message, ybty@youbeautifulthingyou.com. I will also leave a link so that you can purchase. I'm having some pretty shoe, glitter and rhinestones. Okay. And again, I showed you the protective bag, the travel bag. Okay. Fabulous. All right, I'm going to put this back in the shoe box and I'll come back with another pair. All right, so I've put the shoes back in the shoe box. The carrying bag. The extra rhinestones. Okay. Let's see what else we have. The Chic 35, I'm not going to wear those again because I already did. Did I do a video of that one? I have to check my video. Maybe it's on my Instagram. I don't know if that was posted. What else do we have? The Lumina again. This looks like it is a blush. Let's see. I think the other Lumina I have in a size. Okay, so I have the other Lumina in the size 9. So that way I can test to see which size fits better. Again, my usual size is a 9, but with Pleaser, it kind of differentiates depending on which brand under Pleaser it is. So I'll try the 9 and the 10 to see which one fits best. Okay, so this. Okay, so see, it says that this is the blush color. But it looks like it's a nude color, doesn't it? So that's supposed to be pink, but it doesn't come off as pink. That bow got a little wrinkled in transit. So I will try this shoe on along with the size 9, and you can see which shoe fits better. All right. If you're interested in this shoe, leave me a comment. I will also leave a link to purchase. Okay, I'm going to put this back. And okay, look at the bottom of that. Maybe that's just dusty. Must have been sitting in the warehouse for a long time. Okay, I'll be back with another pair. Okay, so the shoes are back in the shoe box, and you can see the travel bag also with this one. And let's see what else we have. What else did we get? Okay. This is T's 12-6, a size 10. Now I know these will fit me, size 10, because I've had another similar style with Pinup Couture, and 10 fits best for me. A 9 would be too tight. So let's open this. Let's see what it looks like. Again, you see the travel bag, Pinup Couture, and look at this. Look at this. Look at that pretty shoe. It is faux leather. The cherry print, the cute little bow. If you're interested in this shoe, send me a comment, or you can email me, YBTY, those are the You Beautiful Thing You initials, YBTY@youbeautifulthingyou.com. Look at that. I'll be making a video with this shoe showing you what it looks like. Okay, so cute. I'm already picturing outfits I can wear this with. All right, I'll put it back and unbox another shoe. Okay, so I've placed the shoes back in the box, and these last two pairs are the same kind of concept as the other shoes I showed you. These are for a customer, but again, not sure which size would work best, so I got it in 2 different sizes so they can determine which size fits them best. And this is a Divine 420 in the red. I'll just unbox one to show you since they're both the same. Okay, so look at that pretty pink. Let's get a good look at the box too. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay, let's look at the pretty box. And look at that. Pleaser USA, cute little travel bag, and the protectors, shoe protectors, and this is the shoe. Nice little pump low heel. So, I mean, you know, they don't have all high heels. So if you want to work your way into a higher heel, you can start off with the lower heel and work your way up. So, Divine 420. If you're interested in this, leave it in the comments or email me, ybty@youbeautifulthingyou.com, and I can get that for you. All right, so thank you for watching. Leave your comments. Let me know if there's a pleaser shoe that you're interested in, that you would like for me to model for you, show you what it looks like, show you how it fits, what the comfortability level is, how it walks, or how it feels when you're walking in it, and I can do that for you. Okay, be sure to give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Be sure to tell your friends about it so they can subscribe. I really appreciate the support. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, and I will be back with more videos. Next videos will be of me, well, I was going to say modeling the shoes. I guess it is a form of modeling the shoes, but wearing the shoes so you can see its fit and the comfort. All right, thank you. See you next time. Bye.